to everybody wherever you are watching me from. And that program I made no me pese me man ni pe bi etinya me bi ase. For so many years now, my end is say me ba em me chire asembia mu biom because se nipa eni wudi se nipa hia and I say obi ti on ho asembia e wo say de obi asifa no obi be gia atum obi be ka say no kre obi spet me aka say oh nipa asmesi minim no enya sana ne so bantie enti no my imagine say obi eti me ho nsembia me mba metina Facebook e me chire mu tamuti ase and I say na me beka no very very important to me. It's na me invite Madam Fubroni say ombra be so me ba Bella mu mama because me pese Bella krabi so ha me na Madam Fu ya betine he me wie video ya obi di wa for two baby say me ni obi da o me dem. I know he is just a friend. Yon, tell them we are friends. Tell them, let them know. When I say you are my friend, they don't believe me. Tell them.
Yes, we are friends.
Tell them they are listening to you. Are we friends or not?
We are friends.
Tell them we are friends. Tell them.
Yes, we are friends.
Tamati. Oya mi bia me ni hwe oya Madam Fu. Se me ho chiri me na se bia me pese me call baby na se me pese obeso me mu a. Why not? But Hamburg come abedri the moment I will be ben nanti pe. Yes, only need that. What is the meaning of that? Okay, today that is not the topic I'm going to talk about. It's about the Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission. Any NDC. I'm going to sign a contract. I'm going to share me 2010. And I'm going to sign a contract 2011. Contract ninya 1 year pepe na I'm terminating my contract. And let me tell you why. Me wo video bi wa ha abronya DC. Abronya DC say odime eco court because me did $3 million. Enti me ti abrochire ha me wo Hamburg ha but e wo mo a me yam to me shime because you cannot joke with politicians. No. Won't many politicians joke. So what I say. Now me to say they bia abronya DC make allegations about me say anytime they me do Ghana bia na mo dey to prison no. Ghana prison, who wants to go to Ghana prison? Who wants to go to Ghana prison? Oh, be no person about prison in Africa. And I can come into prison or Hamburg Hamo. Na Ghana prison there no way. Enti me ho me yam to me she me say I can't mean ye and then uko me din uko internet is no me din Joyce Jomensa. You only see bad things. Scammer, thief, liar. And as people say, onu ye bibi. Onu ye jumebi. Sorry. Na se okohu sanya me e wo internet so a. Why no be take me serious? Me asima me we. Me na fufu a me ni mo mo di dada. Eni mebusuafo. Enye na fufu a me share mo 2-3 years. Me ka me na fufu a me want for the past 10 years. Omun kwa na sa o ka me ho asem a omun nim ni paban me ye. They can defend me and say Joyce intisa. Me obia me metina ha me praise me ho. But NDC for some kind of people are only omu ye adwuma de omu pay free ho no omu nye wie a then no me jao omu jao se ko. You understand? Omu no go into contract kra. There was some way amount they will not do it for you. Na nyakopo mpa bone. Mom say NDC mo opposition. Na opposition na mako no. Se mo anya munyam eyi, mo betina opposition forever. NDC for say yesi say benukra ebu ni say ukoto a wo hwe watch hold the child well, don't just hold the head. Let her come close to you. Enti ukoto ho na wo hwe unyonkoto no. Ure fi say obi so e hwe woto. Tama mi son na me music director bi. Awo nyum bi aya na metuma no. O in Nigeria ni. Na wo Nigeria nyum bi. O see, you dey bend down to see my nash. You forget say another man dey see your own. Also ukutu ona wo hwe meto no. Ore fi say obi fufuro so e hwe woto. E hwe sinega. Dey fia. Ene de wabetena Facebook esu. Ese nkrofo town ni ade. Master m ba abonti 2016. Efia. Wo your ba to send me. Wait to me and phone. And Fresa Joyce. dear pa na course oba besia na ufa phone say obey me interview obua me wodi ma because me share oda. I just respected you as a journalist or whatever you call yourself. And I decided to make grant you interview if you are Shasiniga. And I did my tempo. A friend me said me a cron for. The boyfriend who ye me Ghana me me back prince or who ye. Me sab boy and who ye. Who if you are queer? I got na UTV. A year program if I'm home. I see me I'm a killer. I have killed my boyfriend. Obia me hu nipa ewu a me di yaw no oba besia e te sem me na kwatena ho ye program sada na ho ye program na me hwe no unu dia me ye me mbeka no bia ka se me na mayo bibi. I said in my heart said you will never find peace because oh ye program afa obi ho. And now to obi one sema even a case like a murder. Say obi nipa hu ewu. Say when to me if you did not wish me well and I say mourn with me if you don't know anything about me. I didn't I was a program. Now ka say me ku me boyfriend. And then HIV program ba ku pa me ko ye no. I have become the most terrible person in Ghana. Because of just one program I did. And now for baby Joyce in here. And I Joyce here crown for. And oh Bella, why? Play with her. Try to do something with her and she will not cry. You can carry her, you can hold her, you can play with her. And then she will not cry. Because of only one program I'm sacrificing me who you know. And now ko baby Joyce is this and I Joyce what is. And I Joyce what is no their man boyfriend away. And I drum in madam for bidding come. Madam for no Hamburg her. And all can say Joyce. They be me defend you. Or say Joyce. In Crawford Ekasa, they be me defend you. And yes, say what is now would you be. And I be catching and say only bibi. Next time biano. Say Obi Bekasa as a mitrewa. Bisano. Say yadi is 2 me subaya 13 years or say 14 years in you know. Mina is no me who me. Nkola na me nyinsa omo ewo omo no a omo da me moje mu a me wo omo no o menya esi ni bi ewu na boyfriend on me be da for how many days keke no a we wu no no benya esi ewu jame. This is not common sense. Eno danchen Abronya DC has every right to say I have $3 million and for that matter no me di mina esi Kotoka International Airport oba me achimi atu. He has every right. I didn't see American sir because Angela L. Adas, Dr. Angela L. Adas, who was the former Ghana AIDS Commission boss. Time I'm when me signed a contract and I was just a little girl. Just 23 years old girl. I didn't know anything about say only because I need contract or say me call for lawyer. The minimum say my whole country me mama so me person me ye AIDS program now me person me this save amount for and I me mama say never. She's still crying. Oh Bella. And I me mama catch me say never, don't go and do it. But me ntie me mama. Yeah, it's better you stand with her a bit. And I me mama catch me say mama inquire sa AIDS program no. Apart from that, you know, say me call for lawyer. Na ma cheche ni say contract am kwa sign ni so mama me advice you know. I didn't seek any advice. And Angela invited me to the office. They can't be behavior here no. And I'm say what is about? Or cheche mu me say contract ni nie. She say Nkrofo ki kasa you before Timothy. Let me tell you one reason. One reason. So only I beni yard ya, but na kuma ni na shim. Obi obekasa before Timothy bia, let me tell you the reason. Me de bia me ka say bosum e wo me fie. Me papa fie Togo. Say nka me ti Togo anka me na me ti sa bosum na no. Me twa asam ntu ni paso. Say me ni odili na asam aba. Na dia wonye ye no. Na mabekasa waye. Say na say ano me wo ya me nya problem yi. Me ne me ba ne papa asem bi ba ye. na ngrofo susu say oh meka say one say normally be ma ehia oba hia oba obeka ni yire hu nsem bone ya kire ni new girlfriend no ngrofo susu say bia ma meka say na o say ni yire I say o so ko ja ni yire abeware me. The man never promised me marriage. The man never told me anything bad about his wife. Therefore, se mini nya problem na no nche se me ko twa asem ne so. That is me. Se me Joyce, only me ye business. Na se o ka say Joyce. Square sa die mama. Mama 10 cedis. Wo ka chem se be mama 10 cedis. Na me ko ya die ne ba. Na so unya mfaso ka ne say 200 cedis a. Many brade. You see how my life is so simple? My life, very, very simple. I don't envy anybody in this life. So, in a business, then after everything, let me see, hey, I'm at 10 cedis in the crime, who can make 20 cedis. I will take my 10 cedis and go. But I only make 10 cedis, you know. Every na me yejuma ne ma. Na ka se kwasia ko na me ni 10 cedis dia de ma wa. And ye obi abeti yenka. And no sa no, wo a wo hwe me do be ka se me yin paboni ni. Me nya ni paboni ni. Ye mbu ni pa kwasia bu eya. Kwasia bu eya pa. Now you Dr. Angela L. Adas. De bia me bo Angela dia musimu ni mu no. Ono na Professor John Evans Atamils. May he so rest in peace. Ofano as Ghana AIDS Commission boss. That is her name. You can Google her name and you see her pictures and everything about her. And now Angela, who catch them say Joyce. You bet now 800 cedis. That is connected 8 million. As I make if there is any journalist watching me today, I beg of you. I know some journalists are hardworking. I have seen a lot of journalists in Ghana who are really hardworking. Good. But there are most of the journalists are just lazy. They are lazy. They don't hold our leaders accountable. We don't hold our leaders accountable for anything. Each other send me by obia fa pen ni paper. No ma tro de ope. No there are two internet so. Yeah, Ugagu Joyce, obenye bibia kan, obenye sika to ni bottom. Now so you are destroying me, you have destroyed me. Why mu ye ya ma me nya depression e koda hospital. Me nya depression we e mo na musambe kan se me ye bodeni. Enya hwe. Me nim doctor kra wo biase a or declare say obenya asem na say oye depressed na che say nipa ne ye bodeni. Na so Ghana for mo de dam no mo de ato me so. Me say no problem. Still I'm living my life. I do whatever I want to do to make my life better, and I try as much as possible to make myself happy. Until somebody in some ebe to me so, am obi bear me cry and say no. So obi bear me nipa ni de oba with a clear mind. Na de nkrofo be ka che nipa no. Ebe ma nipa ni cry sign echi. Until no, I live my life like that. Meaning say me as man me ni obia. Me ni obia, me ni obia. Because if it's a me band papa cry no, me ni ne wo ye no. So when who me say me nipa boni ni akakora no on no. Yeah, I am evil. Evil Joyce. All because of what? One HIV program I did. Let me come to the contract. This is what the contract said. Contract in it say, me sign a contract 5 years with the Ghana AIDS Commission. Every month, me 800 cedis. That is 8 million. The contract said I will get 3-bedroom apartment. And yet for free. Is she crying? Not for free. And I said, and yes, they check me, but rented place for 2 years. After 2 years, they will renew it. Good. 800 cedis, 3-bedroom apartments rented. And what else? They said they cannot give me a car. I want to be mommy car. And you know, say me ko program bia. Me bra Ghana AIDS Commission office. Na me can show say me ko program. Ghana AIDS Commission for the car baby family ako. That is what the contract said. And I me sign a contract. And I me share say me programs. And see programs, you know, me call kind of say me call workshop. Workshop you go for training to learn more about HIV and do so many things. Ghana for motion in there. Sika minya free Ghana Ace Commission, Fidelity Bank, that is where I save. Yan from in African in shame in same said Joyce. Busumi asumbeju 8 million. That is coming to my account more Fidelity Bank. So if there is any journalist watching me, if Abronya DC, wherever you are, I am telling you, watch me. And not funny pa, and sumanipa, no one monko Ghana Ace Commission ho. Na account to crack Ghana Ace Commission for this $3 million in 2 months. Papa check Ghana for. Still, I don't doubt you. And yet possible. Mrs. Biom, it is possible, sir. Ghana Ace Commission for any parliament, I could sign it, sir. Yeah, they say, Bema Joyce. Possible, pa. Because, as some see some people working at the Ace Commission now they can't try me. So before I'm family as Ace ambassador, no. I'm called parliament. They debated on my program. There are other 3 people. They debated. Say, Ombema me dine near rented house, me dine. And some amount of money be. And yet 8 million kind of was here, the mommy. It may be. Don't misquote me. I said, maybe. It is possible, sir. Parliament with Ghana Ace Commission, or my sign is, you better fear my Joyce. You better my Joyce car. And I say, Bema Joyce $1 million. And I say, Bema Joyce $3 million. Sacrifice your life for the country. People are dying of AIDS. Now, I'm going to contract in the Not Joyce Jimmy. Joyce with a good heart. Joyce who always want to save people. Came to sign 800 cedis contract. Only 1 year. Within 1 year, no. Now, me just say, ya hear me who posters. Me billboard. Unam kroma me dasu. Akra. Amikita kola awo minsim. Samoti mase. Amikita kola awo minsim. Na moya me books. Moya me hu books. Na moya me hu advert. I remember the advert. In the advert I said, I'm a mother of 2. My name is Joyce. And I'm HIV positive. That was the advert. And the advert was everywhere. Na advert in the oh baby. It's me nam chroma. Obianim said, that is it. For how much? 8 million. Now contract na me sign na musi 5 years so. Me be cheche mu de course. Ghana for mu bia mani sa Ghana Ace Commission. Nyese me ni omu asem ti me ka asem ato omu so. Say me asem me ba be ken if it's a liar. Me angasa me krom bosom na me gini di no. It should kill me. Now who Dr. Angela L. Adas under the NDC administration. Dr. Angela L. Adas under NDC administration signed contract with me that I should be responsible for educating the youth in the schools. 2, to educate mothers living with HIV. You understand? Now, sir, Nkrofo the letter about Ghana Ace Commission. Sir, we are so and so school or church, and we are requesting that Joyce Mensah come to our school, our church, blah blah blah, to educate us. In Crawford letter by 100, Ghana Ace Commission will not mind them. Unfortunately for me, no ambassadors in year 4. Now so they be a letter bar. Joyce didn't want that because of how I present myself. Mystery, minimuti. I have a story. You understand? It's a share story now. It encourages people to listen. I talk about sex. I talk about unprotected sex. So most of the school share Uko Cape Coast. Uko Cape Coast. If I'm not lying, school be any Cape Coast and nice here. There is no secondary school or Cape Coast main core. Infancy man, infancy pimp, a disco. Just some of the schools now I have gone to over 600 schools in Ghana. All the traveling I was doing, majority was around Ghana, not even outside Ghana. Now me sacrificing me to me go programs me be fia na ma bre ya mama to me ba na be aduane mama me say ma I'm too tired I can't obviously oh ye lady kakra enti me ambassador me very slim pa because me didi I didn't have time for my own body Because me started program now HIV cases were reducing. And one thing that was giving me happiness was that now me the me home me the me who say like me to me aye bibiama it has been able to save people. So I was proud. Let me tell you why they terminated my contract. Contract in say so be the letter Basa member programmer. AIDS commission for the Mebeko. They have drivers, they have cars. Now so seminar program na me free AIDS commissioner. Omeka chem se car ni ho. Da me ni obi be kasa no a car ho no. Omeka chem se driver ni ho ade me beko program na se. Da driver ho no omeka chem se fuel any car ni mo. Now smart kwaji millions of dollars from the Global Fund. Ghana AIDS Commission, you got millions of dollars from Global Fund, all because of the story I was sharing. A little girl as I was, 23 years, I didn't know much about anything. Now I was so naive. And then you exploited me, did videos about me, got all the millions you wanted to get, and then we are terminating my contract. Every person in Ghana knows that I was a hardworking lady. Everybody in Ghana knew that I was a hardworking lady. And I'm still throwing this challenge to you once again. The Ghanaian journalists, the program we did from 2011, Heart to Heart, that was the title of the program. Heart to Heart program now you know. Ghanaian journalists, can you go back to the AIDS Commission? Let them account for all the money they spent. Request. Mumbisa say, Ghana AIDS Commission, yaba. Money joint program na muye no. I sika do say na mo spend here. And then you will see how much money ended up in people's pockets. You will see how much money ended up in people's pockets. Now Africa, you see Africa is poor country. There is so much disease in Africa. Malaria, tuberculosis, HIV. Then we gather some people, do some documentaries. Near the kwa brofunu ho, near mo musika millions. Na mpenifono, no machiche, ni gomboto. Ghana AIDS Commission. They have pocketed money into their pocket. Into money me ye bibia no. 1 year pepe. Na ye ko program bi. And I meant to me uncle. Upon all the number of schools I'm making in just this program I meant to me uncle. If you need termination letter. Ebreme. Sir Joyce, we are sorry. We can't work with you again. No, I'm terminating my contract. A young girl, 23 years old. You've exposed me to the whole world. You've told everybody she has HIV. She's been everywhere. You've done movies about her. You've done documentaries about her. And I'm movie no. And I'm soon because I initially the mom. Dr. Angela, you are a woman. And to this idea where a year will be banned, Sanka Meya will bar and Calbea Missa. Nobody was ready to work with me because I have said something abominable. HIV nya ade adidi agro. Me wie ya. Masum meti kosa menko. Esan se mini kamafo. Mini obi obeka masema mama. I became so depressed. When I got that letter that day, I cried. I cried. It got to a point I couldn't do anything. I couldn't work anywhere because nobody was ready to have anything to do with me. I suffered depression for so many years in Ghana. Because they terminated my contract, no money, nothing, no house. And with that 800 cedis that I was receiving for only 1 year, no, is that what made me a millionaire? Ghanaians, are you telling me it's 800 cedis now? And this is for the mama, no? And not me, mama, yes, you can hear now. Now, uko internet is now typing me dear. Fraudulent AIDS ambassador. Thief. Liar. Who wants to work with a liar? Who wants to work with a fraudulent ambassador? Me, no. I still decided to move on. And I'm still moving. I am still moving. I am still moving. 1 year later, almost soon me tikwa se me nko omuni me nye adwuma bio. And I'm fa former first lady Lordina Mahama. And I'm within a year ace ambassador. Asama Mike. Meaning said they will come back to come and lie. Now baby biara obe sama be try to me su biara. I don't want to curse. Mejai. May Kama deal with the I wanted to curse, but I don't want to do it again. Kama will deal with everybody. And I'm going to follow Lordina Mahama. And I'm going to hear ace ambassador. Former first lady Lordina Mahama. Uya me mamia akame dibe kwa me ho. Uya me busueni a akame dibe kwa me ho. I can never disrespect you because you have served Ghana before. Your husband, former President John Mahama. I can never disrespect you because you have been a president. Even when people were saying, accusing you, say only me had only me akoda hotel or Dubai inano. I know so only me ye bibiada. But me ka say only me endi me ni yenti no. Uncle for can be beke bia so. I still came to defend you. I am not a bad person. And I'm a bad and be defending former President Mahama. But me issue ni buy and what did they do for me? Former First Lady Lordina Mahama. Ya do be your ace ambassador to come and do what? How many schools did you go, madam? Madam Lordina, school do what say now call. This is the na de biamichi. E dey to me what 3 schools. Me jina me nanso. E kasa 2 hours. Me we am call a different school. Me we am call another school. I go to different churches in a day. Sometimes I do about 4 or 5 programs. Former President John Mahama's First Lady, Lordina Mahama. When you became the ace ambassador, how many schools did you go? Did they also do a story about you? Did they say you should come and say you had HIV? Please, I want to know. I knew that I was cheated. So I decided to go to former First Lady. The office was a cantonment. I drove to her office. I wanted to explain to her, say, ex-commission for me and dini ye. Me position no ya jiama no. Inti me kwa kobisa and say, madam, wait me aboa me ana because I done a renting mama no. Esu a me ni adwuma bia ye. E na makwaje nkwase a contract. Sebi ye nkwase adwuma na mbeye ye no. Me beye nkwase adwuma insi na obi ehu me se me yarefo. Obi person me be bibi. Inti madam, can you help me please? Me call ye no. Former First Lady Mahama. Ni secretary na mko tu ni wani office na wa cantonment no. Inti me ko share ni secretary na me sim person me hu madam. I say, oh Joyce, what is the problem? I say, no, it's personal. I want to see her. I say, Joyce, anything you tell me, you have indirectly told her. Just let me know. And I come ask them no. And I say, Joyce, can you bring me a letter about what you just told me? And I'm got you a letter and they bring no. Former First Lady Mahama, Lordina, I gave you a letter for 1 year. You did not reply me. 2 years, 3 years, you didn't reply me. Midnight office, 190, you tell me, come. Woman waiting for me. And I'm see you and she. Mahama Nankasa. Me throw a letter, Flagstaff House, did be a Flagstaff House, did be a Mahama never replied even 1 letter. So I decided to call him personally. I started calling former President Mahama. With all due respect, I can never insult you. Former President John Mahama. Unu wife. President, me friend Mahama phone to friend Mahama. Last minute, the bodyguard, or my bodyguard be share me. And I said, the ambassador me catch any biano. The bodyguard me say me can't train. Now he will know. And I'm to thank God. At least, even if Mahama cannot meet me, his bodyguard is coming to meet me. So the bodyguard no buy. Ebe share me. You know, besides, di answer And I make me as Muslim need the Ghana Aid Commission for or mu use me ya me videos, the command brofu, and who millions. A dear, assume it because I'm in Konaminku. And I make me say money natural. Say me pa much or mumbuame. Me papa page some mumbuame. And I'll see you. All the information come on Mahama. But and then me I'm meditating how many years now? And then me I'm meditating. Nobody wanted to do anything with me. It got to a point. Me ko pay sika. E ko pay dan bi work bawe. Na me see me ko rent dan work bawe. Good. You go do see on if you run no hu many more. Say, hey, you look familiar. And I me say Drew. And I me chia dan ka 2 years. Akabe 2 days and me kwakwa to examine yama akwakwa tene fi ho. And while if you run a sound friend, me say, Madam, we cannot have you in this house. Can you come back for your money? And almost saying, I didn't miss Kamami. Do you know why? Who want to live with an AIDS patient? In quotes. In quotes. Who want to live with me? Nobody. Who want to live with a scammer? Nobody. Who want to live with a liar? Nobody. I became so lonely in this world that and I'm because me mama kai. Me mama can say program me mama nkoye. And I say me person me ye na me this savior man for. And me na me this approach here me nam hamok promo kra na nkofo kika me hunsem. Obi person obey me kra na ya say nipa na adwen embe sa nipa I am evil. And this for more some more opposition. NDC for me so friend yakopọ bompa yes NDC should never come to power again. Me bompa yesu ya enu ntinu 2016 me busu eni bi enu akọ vote ye. Me busu eni bi eni akọ vote ma NDC. Because they are wicked. Because you know the people you will sleep with and buy houses and buy cars for the girls. By yana you sacrifice your life you need here. Baby, you don't know me. And then Muko opposition, you want to come back. And you think that God is a fool. God is not a fool. No way. God is not a fool. Former First Lady Lordina Mahama. The only who could Mahama they hear me no. More say you are seeing you will not come back. I respect you. I can never insult you. But the other year be bano. Me na microphone say dia. Me dia ya wumi o. No, people think me ya wumi o. Me free swan and be shi asase so bang. Me ni feelings. Me ni akuma. Me ni dofu bia. Me ti me na ho a sa girl na embe no. Sa girl na embe no. No problem. Ghana for no problem. Say dem ye nyina wan kai ba ko krampo no problem. Say 800 citizens and na major me scammer who call internet so I became depressed. More especially last year abronya this Becca say me give $3 million you know. Me nya depression koda hospital Eppendorf. Me suye. And I me catch a doctor for and say I don't want to go back to Ghana. They want me to be deported. Now, because the doctor phone say, I know that I'm clean. I don't have $3 million. But if they still want to put me in jail, doctor, I want to kill my life. I want to kill myself. Me person me quarter not the Guansina car family tsunami. It is better for me to die in Hamburg than to be in jail. In Zabronia DC. So why show documents be? No one who say, yeah, transfer can be with my name. Ya ma ye nya me bia kika nya me bia bobom aseni sike bia ko shisha account bu na akosi $3 million ah. Me ka me papa we wu a me hu ni da. Me ka me fi abusum. Go and look for the documents very well. And go back to that Angela Eladas. And go back to former Lord Namahama who became the AIDS ambassador. And let them give you that money because Sasuke in enemy hope. Yes, she's sleeping. Okay, you just hold her. You can put her down. You know. Wait. You can hold her. You don't put her down. She may wake up. Yeah, just hold her. Sabronya this wa ko hwehwe ehu se me di $3 million sir. E bet me an okra se omo di me din akogigi sika. It's possible because program na me ye no. Na global fund for mo amhwe ma monim global fund no because I cried. I think I have some running nose. Mo ma me him kakrambra. I think you can put her down. Me assure say they have done their own investigation. And people file investigation. And who say they have given me they have spent $3 million using my name. But at the end, you know, it was 800 cedis. Just 800 cedis. So Omutia only for 1 year. And I say no, I cannot live in Ghana. Na me child there. Me weni monyam. Sa me ko embassy kra na me sika dodro a. Me nim kwa me fa so me denya visa. Eni dem ntumi be kan kire mo. Ma ko pe visa ne metu kwan. Me kwa brochire me ko try na anye ye na me sanko Ghana. Me kwa America me ko try so ma ko to America. Me ye ya anye ye na me sanko back to Ghana. And na me ba Germany me be try for 2 times anye ye na me sanko back. Na me dia ko ni abasa. Me dia ko ni abasa. And people for say omo hu say me medicine upon the year me nyina ni su am su ye koda hospital nyina no 800 cedis for 1 year no ye see ye pema chimi atum abronya this video no me ya indirectly for you to get. Go and do your research very well. Go and do your research. Check. Ghana AIDS Commission, they have failed Ghanaians big time. Ghana AIDS Commission, that institution called Ghana AIDS Commission. Sikedia Ekoswo Hono. And then Mr. Treme, you are now the boss. Angela, your NDC call position. Angela, Ekoyeno. Who Mr. Treme, you know me very well. I hear you matche. And now by na se me san ebe pa mucho. Say mini baby da into mumwamia. Now last time I catch again, I said they should pray for me now. I have mental problem. No problem. Angela Ella does. I know. When you Google my name on the internet, you go YouTube now because I put me there. And then me see me what AIDS. Sorry, HIV. I did cheer me see me need HIV. And then me see me what. I did cheer me see me ni. And Professor says I get away cry anything. And then me what? Actually, me ni be. And then me what? And I saw unim. Angela was the one confusing me. Me pia bonti make I say me ni be bia Ghana for say ye ntia se da so better da yanji esikedi. Sika be na begidi mon kan kire me. So many years now, almost 10 years now. Yes, Joyce e kronfo. Na so nipa ba ku pekure ni asasi so out to me be kan say me ni Joyce e deali ama ne di misikada. And I said that Joyce are promising me visa. And I said, Bia, Joyce, I hear Bia, music. And I said, say, it's yenching into. Who? What do you want to do? Your phone? Nobody. Who can come and tell me, say, only me be into the Medina Sika? I want somebody, me penny papa coupe. I want Sasisu. Say the most say me de kono. Most say me din sananya coupe hata sro. Say the American Yankupa Kumum no. Yankupa hata sro au ni makumu au ni mini pabaino. Will never let me down. God will never let me down. Na ka musu to say akameti na Ghana. Akosire sika o street so. But Yankupa manamba ne sada. Because you know what? So we ni papa now na masasi so me ma me no wonum bia woto. Ewenyu mi to amonti ase. Nenye nunye walala no ejiko. Ase se uye ni papa na se uye papa koso aye papa. Se ni pa boni ni so no be di boni an koso ndi boni ewie ye ni asem no. At the end we will see who is good and who is bad. I am looking for only one person to come out and say Joyce, any me dealy edibisika. We boom edibisika. I want only one person in the whole world. And in yama Google internet and it's not fraud no. Me po nipa ba ko po baba kasa me defraud no. And yanuma mo hwe me. You've heard my story. If you were in my shoes, I'm asking you this genuine question. Yemfa me say fine, truly I was having a virus. Yemfa me sir, se na me wa. Di omude ye me eye wa anka obeye den. Anka obekoso aka say uwo. Na obi physical hye ni botum. Na wo de koye adwuma, obi ameso be hwe wenim. Na nka kwana koda baby, na esu sa ekom enkum. Will you do it? I am not a fool. No, I can't do that. But one thing I say, you never understood me. So this is what happened. Young, I want to, oh, why? No. I want to play something. Okay? I want to play something. The video I gave you, I have to play it. So kindly give me your phone. Someone here. So this is what happened. It's the former President John Mahama and then his wife Rodina Mahama. They took my position and made me homeless. Is this still connected?
No.
It's not connected to Bluetooth.
Yeah, Bluetooth, but not. You have to choose.
Me both video be atrem.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Nti se na me nam abonten na mkrofo tini no musa o meso a. Ya me show mu din na metwem. Me show mu din na meko. I'm just doing my thing. Just trying to be happy because as asisu na ewo no. So when you anya din, you can never survive the wickedness of human beings. You can never survive the wickedness of human beings. And then my wo according to me stress so. Not even one family to even call to find out say, how is this girl doing. But me nkasa. You understand? Me nkasa. Me any paboni ni. No problem. I am evil. No problem. Oh, I won't. No problem. No problem. Let's continue like that. Yeah, your phone is locked. Can you open for me, please? And then there must be any paboni ni. Nti abronye DC $3 million you know e bet me ayi no krese sa bibi sa wo ho but my country sika ni afa nhye mi nsem me need $3 million me di 800 cedis mo am re fix sika dada 8 million sika dada and no need it to America for only 1 year. It got to a point you know
the break Ghana AIDS Commission biano as I said Ghana AIDS Commission for and the kokwaje visa man
no
okwa
a come demia to the point to say ebedu baby no na former President Mahama ni brothers ni bi na na mama sika to aduane di anything I told the bia mean to me can one some money because of the new brothers ni bi ayama me omo to me mama sika to aduane di na me hwe sika omo de mama na anu kra anye sika wo se me minya sacrifice ma me my Ghana no enye sika to aduane di enu ni ade wo se minya de bi. Now, so NDC, more opposition. What you are saying, Yakupon my yo be bassy, and no munti menya depression, and no munti nipa reject me, and then me to a people of a baby. Nini na no me say any bibia. Life must go on. Muya when ya is, no how many years now? Nipa do na a boom me kai bibia ni etin ko bi boom me say me ko jare ejare, mo say debi wo is. Amo say debi ya man jare, ya boom me. Now go back to that house. Only nipa do ewu feel. I am not saying I killed them or no way. But me pesa mo kire mo say Nyankopon kwa ni nipa onim da obi abefra asase so. So I'm still grateful to God for the gift of life. Even post nipa pesa obebe me kra na. Me name me Babella. Say bibini bia pesa obebe me kra na nya hwe. Abrofo wo ho. They are also humans. So bia fi say me nipa boni ni ntino bia mbe me all because of my sacrifice. Nyankopon hata suri a onyi nipa ma no. Onye yiyi mu no. He is there for me. Now what's me ahwe nyame anim. Former President Mahama and no wife. What's me ahwe nyame ma yem ni boni anti say na mo call opposition a. Now one now John Dumelo. I don't even want to talk about him. Me be both video I'm a what Abronya this is talking about.
The Black Ghana Ace Commission Biano, as I said, Ghana Ace Commission for and the Coco Visa Mano, or Kwan per diem, number of days you obey die, Enyinano, as I saw mine Ghana and the Fahunka. Your man a 4-bedroom apartment. Ewu Kromama Netinamu. Utim say, Adana, Yedema ministers near Swafo EB, and Omuyi Bacoman because of Musoya ambassador, Ghana Ace Commission, and what Chibosome near Trianica Kama. Akatuane de eyepa emu hwam no no aba bonten
akatuane na odi eche hu akatuane no
enyina
na yesen
25,000 oje
25,000 Ghana cedis can it 250 million
50 million and some to home per diem
o to kwana 250 million that is what he said
per diem near $12,000
I am a blaster player
no waje say yes we HIV ambassador na ntokwa bisi and only the all publish on Facebook no sen crofo na ono omo kan bo mu bo o man Ghana krono no ye NDC fo mpanfo na obabobo mu dini enti bre ba sa na se omo terminate ne contract na wo
ambassadorial appointment
and contract no wo with Ghana Ace Commission no and so omo terminate na omo terminate we na se e kwana ofa so e ko for the document e de kwaji sa adwuma no no man Ghana otukwan ye bo no ka Frimera oye aduma na be semfie mi ensantem no o man Ghana ofa na kwantuo ne electricity ne danya o mo han ye 4-bedroom lease o mo ye de to so de mana o check ne nyina ne na kwantuo ne bibia ne pe de ma eye close to $3 million until o quantify sa sika we sa $3 million ne so de bakroma ye benya hospitals binum wo ha omuhiampa anameboa yebenya ye security fo hia Kyle
someone said the Abronya this car someone who's ka oboboy I was saw a document me me benya ne documents ni free nya say bia me stress e be chimenti na me esa video we but me be say Ghana fo nyina ehun say that chiri me do Ghana ho near some inside me ko share prisoner video we be di madance here say na me be do Kotoka airport na MPP for some in same e de me ko to prisoner video we be di madance here people go bio Abronya this is on no e di echiri akọhwehwe sika mi medi yon your phone is locked again. Can you please open for me? I want to play some video. Thank you.
The Black Ghana Ace Commission as I said Ghana Ace Commission for and the Coco Visa Mano or Kwan per diem number of days you obey die enyinano as I saw mine Ghana and the Fahunka. Your man a 4-bedroom apartment. Ewu Kromama Netinamu. Utim say Adana Yedema ministers near Swafo EB and Omuyi Bacoman because of Musoya ambassador, Ghana Ace Commission, and what Chibosome near Trianica Kama, Akatuane de Eyepa Muham. No more about Bonting.
Akatuan now you two Makatuano.
Then 25,000. Or
25,000 Ghana cedis. Can it 250 million?
50 million. And some are to home per diem or 2 kwana, or 2 coin back one. Or banana per diem near $12,000.
I am a blaster player.
No idea. Say, yes, way HIV ambassador. Na and Tokobisi. And only the all publish on Facebook, no, sing Crofona. Or no more cambo, mubo, or mine Ghana, Corononi, and DC 1.4 or Bobo Mudini. And Tibre Bass and Ness say, or terminate. Ne contract na
ambassadorial appointment
and contract no war with Ghana Ace Commission no and so mo terminate no mo terminate we na say e kwana of us wo e ko for the document e de kwaji sa aduma no man Ghana otukwan ye bo no ka frimira oye aduma no be semfie mi ensantem no o man Ghana ofa na kwantuo ne electricity ne danya o mo han ye 4-bedroom lease o mo ye de to so de mana o check ni nyina ne na kwantuo ne bibia ne pe de ma e close to $3 million until o quantify sa sika we sa $3 million ne so de bakroma ye benya hospitals binum ho ha omuhiampa anameboa ye benya ye security fo hia ka omude be ye aduma Yembu koba bi suku dane omo tete fam na oma yede oma twere ebetim dia yesa anema na obi ebeka so me na ndi sifo bi na ka bo omo awi oman Ghana.
Yo, my video no. I brought you 7 million this phone a cabo movie on my Ghana. Okay, have it.
I have to go now.
Ah, okay. You can dress up when you're ready to go. She's sleeping now. Yes. Yeah, she's sleeping, so you can go now. Thank you so much. I brought you this in our cano. I've seen million this before the cambo. Me no one cambo, or you sue me. After this video, I know there are some good journalists out there who still work to make sure that they try to hold our leaders accountable. Dig into the issue. I only sacrificed. Sike bia ifra brofo ni ho ba ye bia no. E ko hen disi for. Omo you sue me only for the videos. And I'm Adwin, 23 years old. Sister, I'm 33. Me fear say me nyine na me hu say no Joyce, why you kwasi ade? Nkwasi ejuma pa na akoye ye. Na me ka say debi. I want to rewrite my story. And I'm go for some monti ase no. And no na mo some monti ase no. Say my baba can say na ma sam sister man so monti ase. Na ka menye den. Na ka die na ka mo pese me ye. Die mpa na ka mo pese me ye. Sa video ya bronya this year ye. Media church of God for this say oh, e betimi an no press all kwa e bechi watum. E bin say oh, e bia na yenchi wuntum. I cannot base my hopes on ABR. Obi say ABR e bechi watum. Obi say ABR yenchi wuntum. Na ata me kwani achi me tum nso e. Now upon the master suffer was assassin nyina me stand for that prison. Was sika former president Mahama and the wife Lordina Mahama edintiana. Any Angela when dintiana. Na me kwada ho prison no way. No way. Abronya DC. I am calling you tonight. Young. Thanks, eh? We'll talk. Thanks for coming. Now to me, and I may come down prison. Young, whatever decision you take, let me know. Huh? Whatever decision you take tonight, whether you are coming back or not. Okay. Then to obey this kano. Me na me go down prison. Obey this kano. Me Joyce. Upon all the man family na me stand for that prison. Miss Ramwa, Abronya DC, go back into the matter. Macatro, na me save you of Fidelity Bank. Go to the bank. Ukwa, any journalist who want to know about how much money I made from NDC, go. And I'm ready to allow my bank manager to let you go through all the money I have received from AIDS Commission.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I will let you know every money that I got. Because my bankers are there. All the money that came was coming through the bank, Fidelity Bank. 800 cedis, 800 cedis, 800 cedis every month. So 1 year. 1 year. And I'm terminating contract. And I'm say free global fund. The money they wanted to get from global fund, they have gotten it. They have gotten it. Sometimes I blame myself for some of the insults because I joke. I joke too much. Tracy Bachas and we buy me the joke is say this in I grow. But in reality, no, NDC has never done anything for me. Mean to me some for that prison. Oh, basically with you. Former first lady. Please. I am on my knees. Former first lady. Please. If MPP is asking for the AIDS money, can you go and give it back to them? For my sake, can you please go and give the money back to them? Ghana AIDS Commission, can you talk to Abronya DC and tell him that as a small girl you were paying me only 800 cedis, but not what he said I was paid? Can somebody do that for me, please? Any serious journalist? If truly I got $3 million. Are you going to sit down there for me to go with $3 million just like that without asking questions? If it is true that I have $3 million, are you going to keep quiet for me to just spend the money? And if the money is not with me and it is inside Lordina Mahama's pocket, are you going to sit down to let her go with the money? Because AIDS Commission, they are not doing any job there. They are not doing anything. When I became the ambassador, me na me call a program. TV2 program nyam me na me ko hwehwe. Me, I have been on KSM show for more than 5 times. TV3, everywhere. Me na me ko hwehwe programs. Apart from schools, no madi letter no. The AIDS Commission, they are not doing anything there. Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission, I'm using microphone sex, no. I'm using condom near the I once posted on my Facebook, said prior, honey ho. Ba, okay, me. Sabrina na mini smartphone na phone nkiti bia na dey cram. Ba's girlfriend was in the Ghana AIDS Commission, one of the bosses. Ba and then usi wa ware. Last time I was talking about it, nobody even commented about it. Dr. Chiremi, Mr. Chiremi. When I was in microphone use condom no. The small girls will be sleeping with no. Do you use condom? Mr. Chiremi. And then usi wa Jessica because the foolish joys me Jimmy. Me ana me de me ho ba ye na mo use me. Na mo nya mo videos na mo de ko Jessica. And also when Jessica wie enti no. Me ba AIDS Commission ho be pa mo che obia mo enfi me. You ko grant interview so when kwenya na ko grant interview a. Wo ka sem papa bia. Say Ghanaian should pray for Joy, she has mental problem. Me or mental problem. Then nobody should take it serious. AIDS Commission for no mo go na mo so mo ko da mo use condom. Dr. Chiremi na o se mo use condom no. Ono ko use condom ti mo do agi no. It's such a pity. If you're a Senegal, and then who see this way you are, ma? You see karma? Do you know what is karma? Efia, do you know what is karma? Efia, do you know what is called karma? Efia. They said, where she me that, but only mean kasada. Now so, as somebody buy, you know. Me pa mahama chow, some mama me baby in keke. Omo pe sika be mama mpo na me fanye business. Omo pe se single room dan kra omo pe mama na me ntine mu no. Me su ma no. Na onya me ho adagye. E kwa gi sika free mahama na ho. Sika anka wo se de mama mpo na me tumi de ye bibi kakra no. Na wo san kwa gi sika. Na kwa tina UTV. E di ma tempoto because wa ban na also. Enne usu we hunya santi hu ni NDC. Nti usu ma. Abai de botechi na no na de bebo ba. Efia Abai de botechi no eno na de bebo ba. Usi me e kronfo na me pese ma ha mama misika. No problem. Sama na me ninam na me ye documentaries no. They chucha me ho documentaries, they chucha pictures, they dey billboard. There's a magic baby so popular with some silly disease. Became popular with silly disease. Me say me deji amanfo. Me say me dia me yes me a second Jesus. Amanfo winti no. Me kwa kosua de na ma be kire ma de. Na omu yi mi ma ya. Na me cha de, o de so mo to dan ma wo. O de akotina radio so na de nkrofo atema. Ni ato dan ma wo. Na me bomb me di me oni pedia bo afori. And 1990 villages. I thought they be cram program in nya hotel limpo. With me dake mu ma de echi. And the Ghana for some kan papa bi amaye na me a fraud. And besin ne mo hu HIV advert ba kumpo TV so. Besin ne AIDS program ben pa na AIDS Commission for betimi akasa e free say Joy is free no. Yetimi aye bibi papa bi. No, let me know. Ghana. Master me ba e besin ne no. Mo tumi ehu HIV program even back up of TV so. No. It can't happen. No. Nipa na nyakopo yi na odi ne ho ba for real no. Mo yi ni mai. Nti mo yi ni mai no. Mo nsensi fom. Sikana na nka wo se mo nya no. Sisi ano abrofo no kwa mo mfi mu bio. Nti program no etumi nkoso. Otumi nya me bone na nkoso akeke o. Mini obi na ma me free makoma mu. AIDS Commission mini omo ye adwuma no. Hey. The technical director who was called Dr. Richard Amenya. Dr. Richard Amenya. Doctor, you remember what the email you sent me? That email no, it's still I have it. I became so poor, Me be say, here meow, mami ko swia Uber. I was driving Uber. Forget about Tracy Bachi, video pan me no. Obi anim say na me Uber driver. Uber for bag Ghana no. Uber, yedi Uber back 2016. I was the first lady and I'm driving Uber. I was the first lady they train and then Crawford be brave, see a man be brave driving Uber. And I must say they are strong, they are strong. Me the first person me driving Uber. I feel open to me friend, me to me request. Because funny pana. Nani pana show me di or say, are you not Joyce? I'm say yes. Say, oh, what happened to you? Why are you driving? You are driving Uber. And I'm say yes, I have to survive. Me to me fair be Uber. Share Uber, I'm go Uber office for. Go to Uber. Go through their whatever, their records. Check who was the first Uber driver. First female Uber driver. I am May Joyce. Now my check. Now my this guy say me who me crown who say me. Now former ace ambassador. You use me millions of dollars. I feel like they made the crime in be. Now me call rented single room do Dakuma. Kokompe Dakuma Fadama. Dakuma Fadama. What am I call rented die? A whole single room. I mean the driving Uber sir. And people who live in Fadama they know me. People who live in Fadama, Dakuma Fadama, they know me. Me your baby I laugh, I dance, me penije. But say me ni bema kwa da because of say come e dem no. Say bema me pen no na me dem ho kwa come ni so ni me ndan no biska na can me drive Uber. And can me drive Uber. It's me driving Uber sir for so long. Me driving Uber so na me visa on passport mo visa. That visa makes me dey to Ghana. One thing people don't know is that the fact that you have visa no doesn't mean say so to kwanya obenya assistant we be awoko. It's not easy. Me visa me to me to kwan koba. Na wasa me driving me Uber. Me drive sir. As you do baby no. First na Uber drive here like see na when your request. Utumi for obi. Ube si ni pa na request aba. But se be do baby na fi cast na e bebre. Ube timi afa ni pa ba ko. Who drop in the pan? I bet me a dinner maybe sir. Be say one hour can no be unfair. Had a boom, I be na me just say me drive Uber bill. I come with me to the point say the year was it when 2018. Me the two Facebooks I want to kill myself because I'm tired. Me to me and sacrificing me whom be year juma say. Na fe oh here. Na me nya obafun. Me nya obafun as I'm me dress na me go dinner circular. Sabi, too liar. And coming young man, money in bedama musica, but no yammy lifestyle. Many swashi, me passa, me roar me home, now was depression. But, yan training me. Send me yes, you can remember my name in Dano Mamiska. We are my boyfriend, can now be stressed and Mamiska, me booper fool, because I want to have my own money. I want to be in charge of my own life. That is how I live my life, and that is me. That is what makes me me. And I'm more opposition to when you are brave, more power. Now, I'm going to say, and I'm me music director betray me. Fact, Hash studio. No one will be a tattoo. I'll say, you dey bend down to see my nash. You forget say another man they see your own. I pidgin English. You dey bend down to see my nash. You forget say another man they see your own. NDC. You dey bend down to see my nash. Muosika they talk that Emma Tracy Boache. Muosika they talk cars Emma Slay Queens. Muosika they talk car Emma can say Miss Bonnie why. Now so muni sika mudema ace ambassador sacrifice Emma munye sika. Muosika they talk car any dine Emma Slay Queens. But Joyce am I here na me na mo no be embu me no. Muni sika de ma Joyce. Or sacrificing who Emma Global Fund. Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Global Fund. E bagana. E be hu ejuma na me ye. Omo call ye na mo call invite me. E be throw letters send me. Said they want me to meet Bill Gates. I still have the letter here. Me to me letters in Chinese. Me primary school Primary school, me boost cry that social me bag mo ha. Me primary school. Me works am I me I'm proud of what I do all the time. Primary school, JSS, certificate in that social me bag mo ha. I don't throw my letters away. Letters are Global Fund for sending me. Emma me call a Japan embassy. Or cantonment. I got visa. Almost sending me tickets. Almost tickets. Over 20,000 cedis ticket. 200 million. First class tickets. And so me share Bill Gates. Now me back on the challenges Africa is facing in terms of health and education. Because of say Bill Gates, kind of say Global Fund, I invited Angela. I don't know why they didn't choose a minister or any other person who is higher than me. But small girl, and I'm choosing him because I'm not who me programs are me here. I'm first class ticket. There was a time I posted my passport with my visa inside the Japan visa I got. I posted it here. I should bring a letter no. Mumu say me I don't lie. I don't lie about my age. Me call government school. Me but nothing braggy. I'm not like the slave queens. Obi bet I went to so and so school. Me who are onim school. I don't do that. Me call government school. Anything I do, I talk about it. So I will not come and lie. For what? They sent me a letter. I can go share Bill Gates. Oh, Tokyo. Share after this video, I will make a screenshot of the ticket. It is still in my email. Ticket from this sending me through email. I will make a screenshot of my ticket to meet Bill Gates. A whole Bill Gates. And then so I'm inviting each person from each African country. Now you choose me joy. Send me go share Bill Gates. Me sumi wanu e de kasa. Na kami ko kasa wi an kan mi sika Ghana benya. Ena Angela Ella das ya Ghana is commission. Me nim di po ka kire mo say me betu kan ko Tokyo. Ena mo free Global Fund for try tro mo. Just 3 days to my flight, you know. Ena Global Fund for free me ka kire me say they are sorry. Now, matter their stories being that they don't think they want to. They don't think that they want to continue with me. And I must say me chance of meeting Bill Gates. I started then my depression because the way I'm not excited, you know. Because I was very young and to go and meet such a person, I was so happy. They just spoiled everything for me. Now we are saying, Shabre is some for and ye rade. Say na go pon ya ebo. That's what Kasa Nipa Messi is a great person now, Osi akwan. Me utmi ni osi akwan my brother mu. Osi akwan. Ubeko. I will suffer, but I'll still get to the top. That is me. That is the spirit I have. My spirit, you know. My spirit, I know what day to the extent that I am unstoppable. Just a me. I am unstoppable unless I am dead. And to go and meet Bill Gates, you know. And this before because you're inviting ministers into, they spoil my chance. And I'm betting if I'm soon, sir. Me soon, yes. Now, I'm the me in ready. Angela, you stopped me from meeting Bill Gates, but you didn't kill me. You were not able to take my soul. The zeal power in me, that burning fire, you were not able to take it away from me. You thought I was going to die of hunger, but no matter how broke I was, me ko embassy, me ko visa as a tourist visa, ya the mommy. For so many years, nobody refused me visa, even though sena me nye juma pape biya. That is grace. It is called what? Grace. Eya dum. But wa dum bi o me swa. She, you can stop me. You can try to destroy me, but you cannot kill me. Never say die until the bones are rotten. You cannot take my life. No. You can never take my life. You can stop me, but that fire in me, you cannot quench it. That fire in me, joy. That what makes me joy is that she's controversial. Me not controversial. Me you need be able to see me. I am me to the bone. Nti efiasho asinega. Ukutu ya na wo hwe metuno. Wo si Mahama ne wife enyame. Se makakoye nkwasi adwuma is ambassador. Nkwasi adwuma etia me 800 cedis. 8 million can 8 million. Nkwasi adwuma me koye ye no. Ah, me bet na radio so say me ni sika o, me ni baby da o, mahama boami o. E na nkwasi ade na bet na UTV di ma tempoto. Na me mama sum ya. Enne efia. Enne o bet na Facebook, Facebook live. E se den. Who did this if atem? Unye hu hwe efia. Unye hu hwe. You can go and borrow all the cars and be showing off. Say it you are. Who ni who say? Efia. Who she? If I'm a chama who friend me, who knows me your life? Don't call me because I'm not going to pick up. Who ya make cartel? Stop calling me, please. I beg you. Me betra anya form of anana. Obiani say me if you see the kind of videos I do about NDC and MPP, who are about dream bar. Most of me support you obia. I do those things for fun. I don't support any political party. Interbranya DC. This is my story. This is my story. So because of 800 citizens, you know, who's in chim into moi, mate. But they are saying they are too public. Anybody who is interested in the $3 million, you know, go to the AIDS Commission. Go and find out how much money they paid me, and they'll come and arrest me. They fear. So I was saying, I go Yancy na chichi. The omudi yem no say dia yo. And then I'm to show video. With a fake account, they chin am show video. Because be a fake account. Because now me person won't send me show. Because be a fake account. And I'm show video na to the end. And I'm saying, say na dia yes sir. Inti say na dia yo yes sir if ya. Inti adia ya o yes sir. And I'll be yo nyonko ba. Wo de ya o nyonko ba. Ma obi ametina Facebook and bisa me sebi. Mo bia me bisa me kwasi asem. Me sheda pa and I'm not even reading your comment because I can see some silly comments. Obi an bisa ma wo for me boy. Somebody say me one ma for. Did you ever see me with 4 pregnancies? No. Did you ever see me getting pregnant 4 times? No. But say me ka say me one ma for no say mujidi e. Mujidi. Say me bia mu bia mujidi. And you know, anything I do not come and say any. And there are others. You made a fool out of me. Now this about tonight's commission on forever. No, our friend, me phone Sue. Joyce, go back and say you have HIV. Now Jimmy. Now my and then me granting interview. And then you see I don't have any disease. 1 week later, now me baby from me see me wo. Now me boy. And na say mu Jimmy me say say me. I'm moving say me Jimmy won. Me Jimmy here. I think say me banner sorry. On soon ye dear but was sorry. Into me pamucho. Me the video no baby here. This is my story. When you see me in town, I'm not begging you to be my friend.